Greetings, humans. Today I want to show what to do with this PHP update required. So first, let's take a look at the new widget that's now showing in WordPress dashboard called the site health status. So right now in this installation, we can see that there are 5 items that the widget suggests we take a look at. Let's go ahead and do so. So right now the site health results are loading. This is a pretty cool little tool that WordPress began including. It gives the critical issue and the recommended improvements, and we can also see the past tests if we'd like to, but let's just stay focused on the ones we didn't pass. So the most critical issue is the site is running an outdated version of PHP. So right now running 7.0.33, and WordPress is requiring that the minimum version is 7.4. So if we go inside of our cPanel, and then I'm just going to type PHP inside the search. The multi-PHP manager is where I'll go ahead and load all, find the directory, and then change this from 7.0 to 7.4. Once I've made that adjustment, let's just refresh. So right now it says site health should be improved with one critical issue. Let's go ahead and refresh. And right now it's checking, and voila. Now the site health status has been changed to good. And we have the recommended improvements of updating WordPress and removing inactive plugins and themes. However, if we come back here to the dashboard, no more PHP update notice.